Imagine a cultural phenomenon so impactful it single-handedly boosts international travel trends. Picture a spectacle so dazzling it lures people from all corners of the globe. Yes, we're talking about the ever-enthralling Eurovision Song Contest. Its influence is such that it has significantly increased tourism to the charming city of Malmo, Sweden. In a world where travel is often influenced by cultural events, Eurovision stands as a beacon of attraction. Its sheer vibrancy and universal appeal have sparked a noticeable surge in global travel, particularly to the host cities. And this year, it's Malmo that's basking in the Eurovision spotlight. Malmo, a city known for its captivating blend of old-world charm and modern innovation, has seen an impressive uptick in tourism. This surge is not merely a coincidence, but rather a clear testament to the magnetic pull of the Eurovision Song Contest. The city, with its picturesque landscapes and rich cultural heritage, has become a must-visit destination for many, thanks to Eurovision. The phenomenon of Eurovision-induced travel is not new. Over the years, host cities have witnessed a marked increase in tourism, resulting in significant economic benefits. But the case of Malmo is particularly noteworthy. The city, once a quiet and relatively unknown destination, has transformed into a bustling hub of cultural exchange and exploration. This Eurovision Euphoria is not only beneficial for Malmo, but also for Sweden as a whole. It highlights the country's cultural richness, its passion for music, and its welcoming spirit. It showcases Sweden as a vibrant and dynamic country that's more than ready to take center stage in the global arena. To sum it up, the Eurovision Song Contest has once again proven its immense influence on global travel trends. It has put the spotlight on Malmo, driving a surge in tourism and showcasing the city's and indeed Sweden's cultural charm to the world. The Eurovision effect is real, and it's making waves in the travel industry. So next time you're planning a trip, don't just consider the usual hotspots. Think about the Eurovision host city. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite destination. After all, who could resist the allure of a city that's been touched by the magic of Eurovision? It's an experience that's bound to be as unforgettable as the contest itself.